Winter is in full swing, and instead of a stout or a winter warmer, I want to go with something, well, bigger. Let's talk wheat wine. For this batch, I started with reverse osmosis water and added calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, sodium bicarbonate, and lactic acid to reach the target water profile. Wheat wine can be hard to find, so let's brew one. This one is a hefty brew with an original gravity target of 1095. We're looking for 10 to 10.5% ABV here. The grain bill is 60% wheat malt, 27% Vienna malt, 5% Maris Otter, 5% Kara Munich 1, 3% Melanoidin. Rice hulls are a savior here. After thoroughly stirring the grain into the strike water, the mash was held at 65 degrees Celsius.
5 hours later.
The grain bed was sparged with water to rinse the residual sugars back into the wort. The wort was boiled for 60 minutes. Magnum was added at 60 minutes with 33 IBU. Hallertau Mittelfrüh was added at 10 minutes, providing 3 IBU. Finally, 3 IBU of Cascade were added at 5 minutes. After the boil, the wort was cooled with an immersion chiller and transferred to a fermenter. After the wort was chilled to 16 degrees Celsius, Verdant IPA yeast from Lallemand was pitched. The next day, the temperature was raised to 18 degrees Celsius and then allowed to rise to 20 degrees Celsius the next day. This temperature was held for the remainder of fermentation. After fermentation, the beer was transferred to a keg and carbonated to 2.2 volumes of CO2. Appearance: orange gold color with a slightly off-white head that sticks around. Aroma: bready wheat character with some notes of honey. There's a warm, inviting alcohol note on the nose. Mouthfeel: creamy texture with smooth alcohol warmth. Flavor: wheat bread with honey drizzled on top and dried fruits like apricot and oranges. Clean, low hop flavor. Overall impressions: this wheat wine is just what the doctor ordered for long, cold winter nights in front of a roaring fire. This is a sipper though. At 10.6%, its smoothness will sneak up on you. Have you ever had wheat wine? If so, let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like these kinds of videos, subscribe and then head over to brewtheLookinGlass.com to learn more about beer and homebrewing. Till next time, cheers!